Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
I want to look at it.
We'll go over this way.
Here he goes. He's going swimming. He's going to go swimming.
Mia, watch him.
Oh, he didn't. I thought he was going to go swimming.
Wow.
They can climb out of there, all right? Apparently they can. Yeah, I know. That's right. You have money?
Yeah.
How much? $50.
I think that's a good height.
Put your hands in front of you. Here, stand up straight.
Smaller one.
Yeah, maybe the smaller one.
Yeah, I think that one's too old for you.
Here, let me see. Oh, wait. It's a medium.
Yeah, that one is a lot bigger.
Here, here's the scorecard.
Do we got to take a ball too?
Yeah, each one of
Oh.
us takes a ball.
I think I'll take pink.
That was Mia's favorite.
That's your favorite?
No, Mia got purple.
Okay, here.
Oh,
Oh, she's got purple. You want pink? I don't care.
we can switch, okay, Mia?
I'll take.
It is sunny. Which way do we go?
Wait, Mia. Where do we go?
This is a practice, okay? So put your ball down.
What's this? Practice?
Yeah.
Hand in front. And then just give it a light tap.
She wants to swing it.
Watch how easy I do it. Watch, look. It'll be like this. Like, I'm doing that. See how little I do that?
Almost.
Yay! Good girl.
You ready to do the first hole? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit from right here. Watch that. We're gonna all the way over there. Easy. Watch. Watch me. Easy. Alright.
Perfect.
Alright, wait. Everybody goes.
Okay, let's do. All right,
following Mia.
This one.
Grandpa's turn? I'm last.
Who's following that?
I'm last.
Just hit it. Farther away.
Okay.
Yay! That was fun, huh?
Mia, you gotta spin this right here. Fine, spin it high.
Here, let me see your ball.
There you go.
Extra obstacle. Somebody has to stand out there.
Would you rather go that way? Which way feels more comfortable? Okay. She wants to go this way. Let her try this way.
Wow! Good girl! Almost.
Hold on.
Oh, okay. That's not real, it's just fake.
Oh my God! Is that a golfer? Or did he fall in the quicksand?
What's that for everybody?
You think so?
Yeah, 5.
I had 3. How many do you have, Chum?
Line it up, Ken. That side. Flip it around.
Whoa!
Flip it around.
Here.
Hit the golf ball like you're supposed to. Wait,
Wait. There you go.
There you go.
There
Wait.
you go, Mia.
there you go. Hit it. Hit it.
Real hard.
This time is the time you're going to want to hit it hard.
Yeah.
Ready?
Whoa!
Oh my god, that's my first time ever getting up a hill.
Uh-oh.
I'm going back.
Yeah, try it again.
Here, Mia.
Go back.
Mia, watch Daddy. Here. Grab your ball. Watch Daddy.
He's chasing him up the hill.
Watch how hard Daddy hits it. You ready?
Watch out.
Watch.
Whoa!
Ooh, that's a good hit. There you go.
Good girl.
Good job.
May fall on that.
Watch Bobby. Whoa!
Oh, right next to you.
Do you want to hit it in?
Even there.
Yeah.
Here, hold it so I can open it.
Well, we gotta hurry up.
Yeah, they can bounce it. You gonna go first? You want me to go first? You want me to go first? You're gonna go first.
Me.
Here, Mia. No, just a small one. Okay, well.
Wait, line it up.
Whoa.
Okay.
Woo. Whoa.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I got her putter. Here's her putter.
There you go.
That was good.
Lorella.
Yeah.
Off you come.
It's coming out this end. Mia. 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 Go down the stairs.
I gotta down home.
You said I had to bank it off the wall.
Yay.
Oh, here goes Mommy.
I wanna go in here.
No, we already played that one.
Let's see where the
I would have grabbed it. Easy, baby. All the way up to the top. There you go.
Whoa.
And after that, can we play through the extreme course?
We already did that one.
But that
Come
wasn't
in.
Oh.
But that wasn't
Oh, no, no, no. That's trash, honey.
was actually.
Yeah, that's trash.
I thought it was fake and it would scare you, but don't
Ah, no.
Take your time.
Go ahead.
Hey.
Yeah, just hit. No, you hit the wrong way. Kid.
Right up here, honey.
Which way you going?
Right up here. Get it in that hole. Oh,
There you go.
Hit your ball. Hit your ball.
What do butterflies eat?
You got it.
yay.
Four for me.
Where's my mom?
How many for Mia?
I got it, man. 5. Grandpa got it in 3.
You got her water bottle? I know. All these stairs. Right over here, honey.
Yeah, back.
You want to use mine? Okay.
Actually, no.
That too big?
No, that face is nice.
Come on, Doobie.
Oh, almost.
Yeah, be very careful.
Yay! Watch out.
Nice parking lot. I love it.
Come over here.
Yeah.
Come on, hit it in the water. Yeah, ready?
Whoa, here it goes.
There it goes.
You hit it in the water?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Come on, baby. Take your time.
Turn around. Turn around. There you go. Go, Mia. Hit yours. There you go. Yeah.
Whoa. Excellent.
You don't want to get any gold.
Oh no.
Very good. We're gonna wash our hands.
There.
One thing on the scavenger
Oh
hunt.
boy.
Oh boy. Okay, wait a second. Wait.
Chris is trying to hit it.
Okay, come.